Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. Apex Legends is having some very big issue as of right now. See, 3430 outage reports, and today in this video we have got official update from Apex Legend Twitter official page. So without a further ado, let me show you when they'll begin to fix the servers. Is the server down or what's really going on exactly? What's the situation? Let me show you. Alright guys, so just few minutes ago you see Apex Legend is down, no idea what to do. Apex is down. Apex is down. Tons and tons of people. There are reports. Tons and tons of reports. Apex Legends servers are down. Matchmaking is stuck. People are stuck onto the matchmaking screen. And the thing is, let me show you the latest update regarding onto their server status page. Alright guys, so let me load their Apex Legends status page. So here you can see we have got the latest update. So you see few hours ago they have reported Apex is down. You are not alone 1 hours ago. Then right up to that they have uploaded this heat map of the current matchmaking issues, and you just see for yourself guys how many outages are there. Entire region is red. Nobody can able to play the Apex Legend, and they say just for fun. They don't simply understand. Anyways, they have updated. They have got the recent update, so that's a good thing. So let me show you what's really going on. So they said we are aware of the issues preventing people from getting into the matches. We are working onto the fix. This is a matchmaking issue that they are talking about. Respawn has tweeted out, and then also Apex Legends status, Respawn is working on it. So they have also acknowledged that Apex Legends status, that Respawn, their game developers are working onto the issue just 48 minutes ago. Then right after that, due to high load on Apex Legends servers, some pages may be slow. Some players may not be able to see their status at the moment, working on spreading the extra load. So looks like some of their servers are down at the moment, therefore their current existing servers are getting tons and tons of load. So that's why people are facing this issue onto the matchmaking. Now meanwhile they have provided this ALS survey. You can answer the question as far as when they'll begin to fix it. There is no exact timing. Just 26 minutes ago they have given out the survey.